Your Honor, I stand before you today deeply concerned for the safety and well-being of myself and my son. For months, I have been the target of cyber stalking and cyber harassment that's leaving me feeling unsafe in my own home. Threats of violence, threats of rape, and harassment. They have made it very clear that they are not going to stop, no matter what the consequences are. The fraudulent CPS calls, the disturbing acts of posting my address of offers and free items has put my family at risk and has caused significant emotional distress.
Not a tear.
I fear from the safety of myself and my son. He is a minor and he's vulnerable. I'm asking for a personal protection order to ensure that we can live without fear and to regain our sense of security.
Counsel, do you wish to reserve or give your opening at this time?
Just briefly, Judge, I'll give it so the court is aware of some of my cross-examinations in front of. These are fake petitions. She has filed fake petitions across the country regarding fraudulent injunctions, Your Honor. She's a TikToker. What she does is she goes on TikTok and she creates fake drama and creates fake things that never happened so that she could then get viewers. She makes tens of thousands of dollars by putting up fake posts about things that never actually happened to her. She's a wannabe actress on TikTok where she creates fake drama. She's never met my clients before. She's never seen them before probably until today. She's never met them. My clients have never texted her. They've never called her. Both of them are from out of state. And one is from Indiana. Miss Laura Harding is from Indiana and flew here for this. Miss Natasha Brown is from Ohio and flew here for this. She has filed fake injunctions
I love him too. He is the best.
In DuPage County, Illinois. They were all dismissed. I can put the names on the record later. It'll be part of my case. She has also filed one against Laura Harding, who's here, a fake injunction that was done in Monroe County. That hearing happened back in September. It was denied by the court up there, and then she refiled here. This person,
it gets better.
It's come to my attention, is going to be putting these proceedings on TikTok for a financial gain. This is nothing more than someone who's abusing the court system for financial gain. There's been no threats ever.
Thank you, Villain.
And I believe that's what the evidence is going to show. The temporaries were not granted, and they were not granted for a reason. There's no dates in here. There's no times. There's no evidence whatsoever that my clients even know her. So other than what they've seen about her on TikTok, that she's a professional scam artist is what the evidence is going to show. Thank you.
All right. So, counsel, do you object if she testifies from the table? Okay.
Not at all.
Okay, very good. All right, so ma'am, this would be...
See where it's highlighting is where we're at.
And stay away from she's and hers because there's two respondents, so I need you to identify by name.
Yes, Your Honor. Your Honor, I sent Natasha and Laura...
Objection, Your Honor. She's reading from a script.
She's reading from a script.
That's not proper testimony.
Nope.
Your Honor, I am just very scared, and I wrote it out just to help me bulletproof the points.
Oh, thank you.
Well, if it's a document that you've written...
Well, everything I'm about to say is I'm going to show you evidence backing up my statement.
Well...
It gets better.
You need to testify.
No, you're not late. It's just starting.
Recollection by looking at your notes, you can do that, but you should try to testify without reading a statement.
Okay, Your Honor. So I sent Natasha and Laura a cease and desist for them to please stop talking about me. Since then, they are both on live, making a joke out of it. Natasha Brown, I have her on a screen recording, stated, "This is a joke. You're not going to win, and I'm not going to stop talking about you." And she said the words, "I'm going to wipe this with my butt." Your Honor, Natasha Brown and Laura Harding, I can't even go on a live stream without them making fun of me, talking about my body parts, saying nasty things on live about me.
All right, then I'm going to grant the motion to dismiss.
And I have a motion for attorney's fees, Judge. Under 57.105, I'd ask for sanctions. I understand the court has to make certain findings. I could file.
And what did the court do? Granted it.
Regarding that, if the court wishes, since due to the late hour. But I am going to ask that the court consider it under 57.105 because she's filed frivolous injunctions in this courthouse. She's got another one pending. She's got 5 in this courthouse that she's filed. These are the first 2. There's another one coming up in April, and there's 2 that I can't see because they're confidential because she's trying to have these people served in another state. This is an abuse of the system. She is doing this for monetary gain, and I'm going to ask. I'm going to ask the court for attorney's fees. If I could leave the court time to just file the motion and argue it. The court can schedule a hearing date for that.
Okay.
Your Honor, one more thing. I understand what I submitted in the injunction, but I was also told by the DV court that I have more evidence and videos that I could be able to show you to prove that it was Natasha and to prove what she is doing and what she's threatening. Everything that he is saying is not true. I have everything right here to prove that this is her.
Okay. All right. Then, so the court would, grant your motion for 57.105, but if you could file a written motion and it's...
You see the judge says right there that she's going to allow his motion for the attorney fees right in front of Gabi.
How much money do you make on TikTok?
Not a lot.
You have subscribers, correct?
I do.
Mind you, they already knew the answers to everything he's asking.
You post your address out there for your subscribers, correct?
Nope,
No.
he's the best in Lee County.
To send you gifts for your son, for yourself, correct?
Friends, yes.
No, you post,
But they're not subscribers.
You post your address publicly so people could send you gifts for your son.
No, that is friends that I've met.
Okay, and you have posted
Thank you,
this
Velen.
publicly, correct?
Post what?
Your address in Cape Coral. You
No.
posted this.
No, I've never posted my address on social media.
And you've requested,
well, crap.
and you posted your phone number, correct?
No.
And her license
Posted
plate.
things so that you could
She
have
doxed herself just
people
again
from the
today.
community send you
Thank you, guys.
items for your son, which you then turn around and sell on Facebook Marketplace.
Absolutely not.
And that's what you do. You prey on people's feelings on Facebook by creating a fake persona, correct?
No.
You have a TikTok persona, correct?
I do.
And
A
you're
persona.
doing that for money, correct?
It's for an income.
Yes.
She lies
And you
for
put the
income
drama of
on
all of
TikTok.
this, the drama that you create, you put on there so that you can make money from people, correct?
It's entertainment.
Okay.
Just
like
entertainment, her fake miscarriage,
No.
all entertainment, rage baiting.
Yes.
You said there was a letter regarding a cease and desist.
He did. I gotta pause for a second. He did this part right here because, like I said, the Attorney General was sitting behind us, the one that's investigating her for the fraud, for practicing law without a license, for all kinds of other shit, was sitting right behind us. So this part he's doing for the Attorney General in the courtroom.
You recognize that item?
Yes.
How do you recognize that item?
This is from a paralegal in Illinois
Paralegals cannot
that
practice law.
she said that she would help me. And so she wrote it, and then I mailed it out.
Okay, you mailed it out here in Cape Coral?
Yes.
Okay. So that is, you got that from a real law firm?
Yes.
Okay, what's the name of the law
Testified it's a real law
It's
firm.
Steinfeld. There's 3 parts of it, but I can go, if I can get excused, I can go ahead and reach the paralegal.
Okay. So
And they can tell you.
there is a law office of Steinfeld, and Francis law offices. Is that
Yes.
correct?
There's more. There's like 3 parts of it.
Okay. And you're saying that this is a real law firm?
By the paralegal, yes.
Nope. Is this a real law firm?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to show
She's
you.
a supervisor paralegal that works for the law firm and works for the attorneys.
I'm going to ask.
Guess who else testified that was a real law firm? Mimi.
This is defense 1. And then I'm going to show you what's not the defense, respondents 1. Respondents 2. This is also a letter directed to Laura Hardy.
Correct.
Is that from the same law firm?
Yes.
And you're saying here under oath in this court that law firm exists?
That's what the paralegal told me.
Throwing people under the bus.
From that law firm?
Correct, yes. When I was living in Illinois, we were actually, it was a family friend from a long, long time ago. And now she's older and she got her degree as a paralegal and now she's a paralegal supervisor. And she found me on TikTok and she said, Gabby, this
Karma
is not
is
okay
locked
for someone
and
to do
loaded,
this
y'all.
to you. So she looked over my TikTok, she investigated, she dug deep, and she was like, I can help you. They need to stop doing this to you.
All right, so
If you want me to, I can go outside and
We
talk
need to
the
stop
paralegal.
telling the truth about her being an actress and telling lies to earn money here on TikTok. Imagine that. So see, we
Illinois.
have a purpose.
is this the same?
It's called theft by deception, Gabby.
Philip Steinberg's from?
I never
When you impersonated Philip Steinberg, is that the same firm?
impersonated.
Yes.
I'm so sorry. Can you repeat that again?
When you impersonated a lawyer here, is that the same law firm?
I never impersonated anybody.
Do you know who Philip Steinberg is?
No.
Okay, so you're under oath. Did you go to this law firm of Steinfeld and Francis law office?
No, I did not. I was FaceTiming with the law firm.
She FaceTime with that law firm now in your office. A law firm that doesn't exist.
Okay, so you don't object to the court reviewing this. You agree that this was a letter that you produced and mailed to Miss Natasha Brown?
The paralegal wrote it. They emailed it to me, and I sent it out here. Yes.
That'll be respondent.
Right to the Attorney General.
Respondents to. And did you respondents to, which is to Laura
She's
Harding,
being investigated. She is in trouble.
have Victoria?
He was genius, man. Genius.
Yes.
And is she a real person?
She's a real
She
person.
consented to writing that letter.
Yes, she did.
And she wrote that on a real law firm's letterhead.
The judge took it into evidence.
Do you know that law firm exists, yes or no?
Yes, I looked at it.
Okay, so it does exist.
Yes. There's
Okay.
3 parts of it, but I would like to, if I
Thank you,
could,
Nicole.
go out there and call Victoria and prove that it is a law firm.
And then you
If I
also,
could.
you mailed that letter. I'm going to show you which one it is.
You're welcome. I said I would go live when I got it.
Number 3, respondents 2. You actually mailed that letter here from Cape Coral, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Do you agree
I love him
that-
too.
That you posted that FedEx receipt, that you mailed that letter to both Natasha Brown and to Laura Harding?
Yes.
And you did that here in Cape Coral?
Yes.
Oh my God.
All right.
Enter that into evidence?
Very well spent. I couldn't have done it without you guys. Thank you very much.
Can I go call the paralegal?
And you talked to Victoria Quintero. Is that your testimony here under oath?
Yes.
And did you meet with this law firm of Steinfeld
Thank you.
and Francis?
I had a FaceTime meeting in her office.
Okay, and did you meet with an attorney?
No, I did not.
Did you speak to
She just testified a minute ago. She did.
So you met with
Gabby was
paralegal
Gabby's lawyer.
Victoria Quintero, the paralegal supervisor,
Yes.
at the law firm of Steinfeld, and Francis.
I don't know if she
Law
does or not.
Offices.
Yes.
And the phone number, 630-532-9102.
Nope, this is not recorded illegally. This was,
Where does that go?
I got these the right way. I filed the paperwork. See, this is me requesting
Does that go to you?
this recording.
No, that's not my number.
That goes to your friend, Victoria?
The paralegal.
That goes to your friend, who's posing as a paralegal, correct?
No.
Yep, he was there.
And you're telling this court under oath that the letters...
Oh my God, you
which are
guys, thank you.
marked as respondents 1 and 2 from Steinfeld, and Francis Law Office, those are real letters that you were given from a real law firm and that you sent out here in Cape Coral.
Yes.
Isn't it true that you've made videos discussing your son online?
Discussing?
For money. Yeah.
Not for money.
You've made videos online on TikTok regarding your son, correct?
What I did was I'm a
Yes or no?
No.
No, okay. You said under oath you've never done that. You've never made videos regarding your son. And
Like disgusting videos?
discussing your son online. You've never done that.
Your Honor, I have to know like what he's talking about.
Talking about,
Like I can't,
Gabby,
when he says
discussing.
disgusting things,
He says discussing, not disgusting.
Isn't it true you've made videos online discussing your son to
Oh,
the
yes.
public?
Yes.
Okay.
I thought you said disgusting. I'm sorry.
And isn't it true you've actually made videos of online of you bouncing off of your vagina, calling it a clam slam so you can get minors to watch you?
No.
You've never done that before online?
No.
Okay. Isn't it true you've actually done drugs online?
No.
Okay. And isn't it true you've discussed the mental health of your son online to get people to give you money?
Mental health.
You called your son a serial killer one time online. Do you remember that? Do you remember that? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so you
I can't.
You were telling this. You actually called your son a serial killer.
Can I explain?
Online.
Can I explain?
Yes or no?
Can I explain? Your Honor, can I please explain?
Go ahead.
Please,
Let her
can I-
explain. I'd love to hear this.
I'm a new mom. And I had no friends, nothing like that. And when he was 1 year old, he was starting with all these behaviors.
you.
Biting, hitting, acting out. And being a first-time mom, I didn't know. And so I was venting to a lot of moms. And I just said, I just don't want him to, like, I want to raise him right. And I just don't want him to be raised to be. And
I know she's
it
full of
wasn't-
shit.
I should have never said it. I was thinking out loud as a mom, and knowing that I was worried about what was wrong, and you know, I just wanted to do what's right, and it wasn't towards anything. And he is a beautiful, he's an amazing child now, and
They do roll the
it
tape.
was just a venting moment. And
Miss Jacobson, how much money did you make online when you called your son a serial killer and said he had bipolar disorder? How much money did you make?
I never said bipolar.
Okay.
And I never asked money for my son. That's disgusting.
And
What I do is,
how much money did you make when you posted videos of you slapping a dog?
I did not slap a dog.
Okay. And how much money did you make when you were
Big trouble.
posting videos regarding the fake threats?
Excuse me?
You remember going online saying you were threatened?
Yes, because I had a screenshot, a text message that came across my...
And you were in fear of your life, right?
I didn't want to show I was fearful of my life, because then if you do, then you show them that you are very afraid, and sometimes they do
She
something.
makes money off of pretending to be
joking.
stalked and harassed
Right.
online while
Nothing to be
slandering
joking
other
about.
creators' names on
So if
TikTok.
you're under oath, being threatened is nothing to be joked about. That's what you're telling this court.
Basically, when I was
Yes
trying...
or no? Were you threatened?
I was, yes.
You were in fear for your life.
I was, yes.
And you posted that online.
Yes, this will be on YouTube.
I say things out of my mouth
Did you
just
post it
thinking...
online that you were afraid for your life? Yes or no?
I don't recall.
And then the one where the clam slam.
Mind you, objection, a clam slam is what Natasha had called it first.
Okay.
He's a high kick into a split, but no.
She calls the clam slam.
Your Honor, this is bringing bad memories. Can we just move on to... It's making me, I'm sorry, I just can't listen to it anymore.
Well, this is stuff that you're posting.
Yes, but it's not what he's making it to seem like.
Her vagina off the ground.
No, I don't. It's called a high kick into a split. It's just entertaining.
It's just entertaining.
It's disgusting.
It is disgusting, Gabby, but it's your content.
Yes.
Social media is for 18 years and up, and I have it on my TikTok account for 18 years and up. That is disgusting for you to say that I would do that.
But you did do that.
All the video that's on here is her acting.
You did do that, Gabby. You're disgusting, right?
She claimed to be pregnant at one point, or wasn't pregnant. Has she had sex with her boyfriend, her husband online?
Objection!
Do
Objection!
you have that video, sir?
I don't want to show that.
Okay. All right.
The judge wanted to see the
Oh,
sex
Lord.
online where she had smecks with Aaron.
Video number 2. I'm going to move to video number 3. Video number 3
Objection. This is irrelevant to this case.
gets a message.
This is irrelevant to this case.
Okay, I don't know what it is yet. Counsel, what does this video show?
This is Miss Jacobson threatening her people online, saying "Game on, bitch."
Didn't she say she didn't
That
just
was not
threaten us?
towards the defendants. Objection, irrelevant. I never said names. I've never mentioned any names.
Ma'am.
That was objection, irrelevant.
Okay.
I did not mention any names.
Okay. But what these videos are showing is that you're stating you don't know who's doing this threatening. You're Don, but then you're coming into court today and saying that you know it's these two people, but there's no
Your
evidence
Honor.
to show that it's these two people.
Your Honor, when I was on live, I didn't want to call the names out. So I kept it to myself.
It's a
Judge is
statement
full.
that you've made.
Because when I had the
See,
cease and
Judge is
desist
mad
letter,
now.
the C and D letter,
Okay.
I couldn't
Ma'am,
talk to them.
We need to wrap up. You keep saying the same thing, but it's not a legal objection.
Okay.
So this is video 3 for the purpose of the recording today.
Okay. What's number 4?
The one I just showed is one where she says "Game on, bitch," and she threatened her.
Yeah, the judge is hangry.
Okay, where she went from "Game on, bitch," laughing to crying. And that was on her TikTok video number. Video number 4 is another one of her with her twin sister. And Miss Brown, Miss Hardy, is that on the left? Is that Miss Jacobson?
Yes.
From what you've seen of her on TikTok?
Yes.
Is that her twin sister on the right?
Yes.
So I can speed it up for the court. Is this now getting into some verbal altercation for the audience?
Objection, conflicts of interest. That's my sister, and this has nothing to do with that case. This case, so please.
Okay.
Because this is my sister, and that's conflict of interest. I'm going to object. Irrelevant. It has nothing to do with this case, Your Honor.
Okay. Okay.
How much money do you and Gabrielle Jacobson make on TikTok exploiting people?
Exploiting people? We don't exploit anybody.
You and Gabrielle create live stream.
I just want to say something. That use of the word exploiting people on TikTok, he used that on purpose. Remember, Attorney General's behind us.
Correct?
Oh my God.
She does, I don't.
And she puts your
Gabi
address
exploits
out there
people.
for people to see so they could send gifts, right?
Not on TikTok.
She puts it on other social media platforms.
No, people ask her, private message her about her address.
So she's communicated with random people online so they could send gifts to your house, correct?
Well, we've also made wish lists on Amazon where that address is private.
Okay, so she has actually made contact with unknown people on TikTok to get them to send things to your address, correct?
Could you rephrase that?
Okay. She has made contact with random strangers on TikTok as part of her live stream, correct?
Yeah, but doesn't everybody do that?
No, I have a real job, but I'll end.
So do I. But
So how much money does she make per person? Is it $2.99,
Drop the mic.
$5.99 per month for her subscription?
honestly, I don't know.
Well, you're married to her, right?
Okay.
So you know how much money is coming in from her TikTok business.
She doesn't know how much money is coming in from my regular job.
You're sitting here under oath and you don't know how much money she makes off of TikTok posting.
It's different every week.
How much is it on a given week?
Maybe $100, if that.
$100 per week? That's what
Oh
you're
my
saying
God,
here
guys,
under
thank
oath.
you.
Yeah. You know what, Your Honor?
Yes, sir.
Can I ask you to do a continuance for this? Because I feel like this is unfair and she needs to get a lawyer.
Okay.
I agree.
You're not the litigant, and so
I agree.
you don't have standing to make that request. But do you have any further questions?
Do you know that she's exploited your son on TikTok for money?
Your Honor, is it okay if I say I don't want any further questions?
You want to take the fifth? You want to? Do you know about her letter to the law firm? The law firm letter?
Yeah, and it's a real letter.
Oh, really? That's a real letter? Did you speak to the lawyer?
Yes, I have.
Do you recognize the letter?
Yeah, okay.
Do you recognize it?
Okay.
Do you recognize it?
Yes, I do.
Which lawyer from that law firm of
Yes, ma'am.
Who did you speak to?
Well, we've done everything.
You remember, right?
Yeah, they were emailed to her.
Okay. Which lawyer at Steinfeld Francis Law Office did you speak to?
Well, I do know that she was talking to Victoria, who represents them.
You just stated under oath you spoke to a lawyer at that firm. Which lawyer at that firm did you speak to?
Judge.
And the reason he is dissecting everything is because the Attorney General has got her ass under investigation for multiple forms of fraud. Not just practicing law without an attorney or without a license. But that takes time. So when she sits there and says, wouldn't I be arrested by now? Nah, she should ask Slot how long that took for fraud investigations to go down.
I'm not answering any further questions.
All right, you want to
Beanhead was at least smart enough to know he backed his ass up into something.
in the event that you would incriminate yourself?
What does that mean?
Well,
I just don't want to answer any questions. I'd rather get a lawyer.
All right.
Because how is this fair that you are here from...
How is it fair that you and Gabi get to lie and threaten multiple other creators, Aaron, and drag us into court across multiple states? How is that fair, Beanhead?
From people that are from a whole different state, and she has no lawyer.
She chose to do this little skit.
Ms. Jacobson created that letter?
No.
And you're under oath. Which lawyer did you speak to regarding...
Objection. Objection.
Okay, what is the objection? Just stay the ground.
So no one has talked, well,
Okay,
okay.
well, no, you can't give testimony.
I haven't talked to anybody from that law firm.
He testified he talked to a lawyer. Did you talk to a lawyer from that firm?
Yep, he
Well, I
is
thought
just as
Victoria
guilty.
worked for that law firm. That's what I was under circumstances.
Who was the lawyer you spoke to?
I said I thought Victoria was the lawyer.
He thought Vicky was the lawyer. Oopsie.
Yeah,
And you thought she was the lawyer.
yeah.
Okay. And that's a real law firm.
From what I understood, yes.
What do you understand?
That's what I've been told.
Okay. And you've seen that law firm?
No, how would I have seen it?
Did you go to the law firm?
No.
The only person that told you that was a real law firm is Jeff.
They will be charged.
Right?
No.
Who else told you that's a real law firm?
Other people?
Who?
Victoria, Jen.
Victoria Quintero, the name of the
Yeah.
person on there? She said that's a real law firm?
Yeah,
And you spoke to Victoria Quintero?
yeah.
And when did you speak to her?
I've spoken to her quite a few times
On what phone?
on my own phone.
What's your phone?
I'm not giving that out in court.
Okay. You claim that you spoke to Victoria Quintero on your phone regarding the legal situation here.
Yes,
And she is, you testified on her own, she's a paralegal that you've spoken to at that law firm.
I'm just going off of what I have been told by her and Gabriella.
Did you speak to Victoria Quintero about the legal advice that's in that law firm?
In the piece of paper,
Yeah, the cease and desist on it. Talk to her about it.
I just knew that she emailed it to Gabby and then told her to print it out and send it to them.
Did you talk to Victoria Quintero about that, about this?
No,
Cease and desist.
not the letter, no.
What did you talk to Victoria Quintero about?
They're building an investigation of... See, when an investigation is simple, it could take up 5 to 6 months, right? We're right about that time frame now. But the more complex a case that the Attorney General is looking into, meaning multiple people crossing multiple state lines, that takes more time. So, not had quite enough time to go through everything, and plus she continues to fake documents on a daily basis. It's called entitlement.
Do I have to answer that?
But, yes.
She's a scammer. She got the right one this time, though.
Just about everything that's going on and that things need to be done, because seeing her the way she is, that something needs to be done about this.
Keep her ass
So she
offline.
said that
Make her stop lying on
she was
people.
gonna write up a cease and desist letter and then email it to her, and then she would send it out.
So you talked to Victoria Quintero specifically about the cease and desist letter that you just saw earlier.
Yes.
And she said she was going to write it up and send it to your wife.
Yes.
Okay.
To send it out. Yes.
Are you my mother?
Yes, I am. Only by adoption. I am your grandmother.
It'll be up on YouTube.
Have you heard Natasha Brown speaking ill of me on live?
Yes.
Oh, wait. Thank you. They catch Mimi perjuring herself, too.
Have you heard her threaten my safety on live?
Yes.
Have you heard her say that she is going to take pictures of me outside the courtroom?
Yes.
Yep, already
Same
lying.
thing with Mrs. Laura Harding, Patty.
That one I can't say correctly, and I'll tell you because they go by those names. And I know Natasha's
Yes, it's the
screen name.
same.
But I don't know what they call it. I'm not a TikTok person.
She's
Have
not a
you
TikTok
witnessed them
person.
on live streaming me and talked about my body part?
Objection. This is facts, not an evidence. Best evidence rule. Hearsay upon hearsay.
All right.
And leading.
Patty, have you gotten threats?
Objection. Leading.
Well, I'm going to overrule this point.
Yes, I have. May I speak on that point?
Is it related to this case?
Yeah, I'll open boxes up here in just a little bit.
When they became involved, when Natasha, I only know them as Brownie and Waffles, and so I really didn't know their actual names. But then I found it out when this all took place. When I first began, when Gabi moved to Florida.
Now, who's Gabby?
Karma
Gabby
gets
is
everybody.
sitting there.
Okay. She's the petitioner?
Yes, Gabrielle.
Okay.
When she first came to Florida, Cameron was a baby. And at that time, Gabi was a vet tech, had a very good job, had a good home, had a place to bring Cam.
This is all irrelevant, by the way.
Had a good life. Like everything that some can use, and I'm out of line, but COVID changed a lot of social behavior.
I'm going to object. This is irrelevant.
Okay, I'll move on.
Okay.
I'll move on to what the question was.
Which is, I believe, were you threatened?
Yes.
Okay.
Judge,
So
I believe that
we're not here for that.
Okay, what was the question then?
She wanted to know if she was threatened. We're here for Gabriella Jacobson. We're not here for this. I don't even know who this person is. This is one of her actors on TikTok.
I don't know why she's crying. She wanted her truth out. She wanted to silence me.
Your Honor, I have no TikTok. Okay? I just want to say one thing.
Judge.
And I think that I feel like I should have that, being that these particular, Natasha especially, what she's done.
There's no proof that anybody done anything to Gabi.
Up until that point, I was awoken almost every single night up until 1 and 2 in the morning.
That's because your granddaughter's rage baiting on the internet.
And
They were going
for
to
the record, Judge,
my place of employment.
for the record, she stated under oath.
And when you say she,
Gabriella Jacobson stated that this witness that's coming up next has no direct knowledge, and now suddenly she's got all this knowledge. So, which is it? And she's
Mimi,
none
that's
of what she's
perjury,
talking about
babe.
is listed in any of
Whore
the
Babylon.
injunctions. So it's beyond the scope, and she's already said that she has no direct knowledge.
okay. So we're
Okay,
here.
and I'll just explain that Natasha did dox my phone number online on so that my number, not only my number, but my husband, who is mild dementia, was getting phone numbers.
I'm going to object. This is a narrative that's not relevant to...
Even though you see her name with her doing all this?
Okay. Evidence-wise, how do you know that it was Natasha
That did it?
Brown?
Because it's her call name. Your Honor, the calls were very hard. And I will tell you that I tried to find somebody that they have AI is so good that they can manipulate numbers.
Now it's AI.
Every time I tried to call back, that number was blocked already, and then another number would appear, and another number.
Doesn't mean it was me or
that after
anybody else.
I have 14 grandchildren that are and they were calling me and saying, Nana, people are putting stuff out there.
She made noise like she was crying. There was never any tears.
I will say that I'm angry with the cause. I was threatened. My job was threatened. I've been 8 years in place. My children were threatened. But more than anybody, Cameron.
I'm going to object, Judge.
I just don't know what this has to do with...
That's what he just said.
That she is being cyberstalked, and her whole family is under the same thing. We're all being stalked.
Your Honor, that's why I put her name on the injunction. I put her name, I put my son's name, I put Aaron's
There's
name.
no proof of these allegations.
She's a grown adult. If she wants to file her own,
Right.
She could do it if she wishes.
Right. Okay.
Obviously under penalties of perjury.
All right. Well,
If Mimi files, it would be penalty of
I'm going to
perjury.
object to all of her testimony. It's irrelevant, and it's
If Gabi refiles, it would be
not contained
penalty
in
of
the
perjury.
words of Ms. Jacobson.
Going back down to the court.
Gabrielle
Gab's,
Jacobson's
oh my gosh, guys.
petitions against either Laura Harding or Natasha Brown.
well, I guess I'm having problems with the evidentiary foundation has not been laid. You've indicated that you don't know the two respondents. You only know names Brownie and Waffles, I think you said.
Well, this, Natasha, this is her on her picture. This is what she sent.
Okay.
So just let the record reflect that the witness has given the middle finger to the court.
I have a picture of
Mimi
Natasha.
flipped the judge off. Oh my God, 4 million. You guys are
But
great.
because of the sophistication of the electronics, there's no showing here today that, in fact, Natasha Brown is the one posting this information.
Even though it's her face?
Did you hear what the judge ruled? There's no indication that it was us.
Your Honor, please.
Please, Judge.
No
Just believe me,
evidentiary
Judge.
basis
You're welcome.
that-
So what, okay.
Okay, I'm not here to explain evidence to you, so I'm going to sustain the objection.
Thank you.
Oh my God, 4 million, you guys. Thank you.
Okay.
Do you have any other questions?
Just, if Ms. Jacobson's done, I'll ask her a few on cross. I think she is done.
Go ahead.
Miss, what's your name again?
Reiner.
Reiner. You're one of Miss Jacobs' actresses on her TikTok live
No,
stream.
that's AI being done on me.
Okay. Oh, so somebody else is doing something
Oh,
about
yeah. Me in the orange clothing, the prison garb with my face on it.
Yes, your daughter actually puts you on as you're like one of the extras that come on her show, right?
No, I don't even have a TikTok. I never watched it.
Right. And
She's never watched TikTok, but she just testified earlier she had firsthand knowledge and saw us do all these horrible things to Gabi here on TikTok. Oopsie.
And you go on TikTok with Miss Jacobson and you give everybody the middle finger, correct?
No, I've never given, I don't even swear.
Oh, you didn't call people all the names that are listed in here?
No. Oh, what names? What now? I think I need to be told what names that have been said.
Okay, you called people a bitch on there, the C word.
Oh, I've never used the C word.
And so how much do you get paid to be one of her actresses?
Oh, my word.
How much do you get paid?
Oh my word.
I am her mother. I've raised her.
Okay, and do you know about the letter with the law firm?
Yes,
Okay, and that's a real law firm?
parts of it is.
Parts of it is.
The
Oh, Mimi just said only parts of the law firm is real.
ones that I know. I know the woman that she's been in contact with.
Okay, you know.
I know her only by name. I'm going to state that correctly. I know her only by name. I have not met her.
You know Victoria Quintero, the paralegal?
Her mother called me.
Her mother called you?
Yes.
And this is a real law firm, correct?
Her mother called me because she recognized Gabrielle and Danielle as the people that used to go to a karaoke bar in Illinois.
Objection. My mom has not been in contact with Victoria or the law firm.